Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video on me roller setting my hair with some of the new mane and tail products. I've already washed my hair and got it started, so if you guys are interested in watching this video, stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my hair has been washed and detangled already. So what I'm doing is I'm sectioning my hair off into 4 sections. I go straight down the middle and to each side, and once I get done I use a rubber band or a clip to hold the hair in place. So I'm going to be using the Mane and Tail Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection. I bought the Mousse and the Curl Boosting Sherbet, and you guys, it smells so delicious. Okay, so once my hair is sectioned out, I comb it out with one of the shower combs, and I go ahead and bring in the mousse, and I get it all over my hair, and I use my hands to make sure I can feel it going in, make sure I don't miss any spots of my hair that need to be conditioned, and then I bring the conditioner in, and ooh, look at my curls, y'all. Don't play with me. I got that drip, honey. Yes. You guys, I don't know what kind of hair I have, but it always bounces back. Look at that. This conditioner is amazing. Okay, so back to the video. So I sectioned this off into smaller sections, and I grab my roller, pull it all the way to the end, make sure I'm using tension, and this is called the curl and twirl method. You wrap it around at the ends, and then you kind of wrap it to get a coil action, and then you clip it. Hey you guys, so here's another video in case you guys missed it. You pull it to the end, get that tension going, and then you curl, and you're gonna twirl all the way up to the top, and then you just clip your roller. And it's really simple. You just have to get into the motion of doing it. Okay, here's another video. Look at that curl pattern. Yes, honey, look at my curls. They are very, 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 very defined. Here you go again, curl and twirl, and then you just clip. So I'm just showing off my coils again and letting y'all see that length that I got going on. Length check. Okay, ladies, by this time I was so over it. I was tired of rolling my hair. My hands were hurting, my back was hurting, and my neck was hurting. Can you tell by looking at my face? Ladies, so we're going to skip ahead, and I finally made it to the end, and this is my last roller. Okay, you guys, so that was my last roller. I have product all over my hands, but I'm gonna smooth the rest of it in on my hair. As you can see, I did my whole head. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about an hour because I do have to work in the morning, and I want to make sure that my hair is fully dry before I get ready to take down the rollers. So when I take it down, I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Thank you. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I took my rollers down. I had one that just wouldn't do right, but whatever. This is my Garnier Sleek and Shine oil that I use, and I put some on my hands and rub it all over my head, making sure that I saturate each curl. And then afterwards, what I'm going to do is take and separate my curls so that you have more curls for the girls. So you just separate each one and twirl it around your finger until you get the desired coil. And that's what I'll be doing in the rest of this video, you guys. It's really simple. It's really easy. Just go throughout your whole head and separate each curl into more curls. Okay, you guys, so you can start to see the finished look. It didn't exactly turn out how I wanted it because it is a little frizzy because it didn't dry all the way. But let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section, and I will see you guys later.